Oh crap, it's vertical. I don't care. Sorry guys if this is vertical.
Environment Canada has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Ontario at 3:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Saturday, July 13th, 2019. A severe thunderstorm warning is issued for City of Toronto and Mississauga, Brampton. A severe thunderstorm watch is continued for City of Hamilton. Environment Canada continues.
That's nice.
Stay tuned for further information.
Crap.
Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin de conditions météorologiques.
Unrecognized Message. Oh my god.
Dans la zone de diffusion. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations.
Oh my god.
Environment Canada has updated a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Ontario at
Holy crap.
3:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Saturday, July 13th, 2019. A severe thunderstorm warning is issued for Vaughan, Richmond Hill, Markham. A severe thunderstorm warning is continued for City of Toronto and Mississauga, Brampton. A severe thunderstorm watch is continued for City of Hamilton. Environment Canada continues squall watch for...
Just a little message here. This is actually a severe thunderstorm warning. The reason why it was an unrecognized message because I was about to take this weather radio downstairs and I had the antenna like this. And I was holding the weather radio like this, like exactly like this. And it scared the crap out of me because I was holding it like this and it went off. It went off right here for unrecognized message. So this is severe thunderstorm. That was a severe thunderstorm warning. Just so you know.